Hi, I'm attorney Cedric Forrest with the Forrest Law Firm. We're an insurance law firm serving Houston, Texas, and the surrounding counties. Many clients want to know more about insurance disputes and whether they may have a good case or not. So that's what I'm going to discuss with you here today. I'm asked that question often by homeowners trying to figure out exactly what they're dealing with. A dispute with their insurance company surely is brewing, but is it a misunderstanding that might be resolved with a phone call or two, or is it a more serious issue that might justify a lawsuit? To help you assess whether a legal action makes sense, we'll consider a number of different factors, starting with coverage. Does the insurance policy cover the damage? That is, was the damage caused by a covered peril suffered by your home or business property? In most cases, there can be no dispute if there's no coverage. To put it another way, in order to hold your insurance company accountable under one or more legal theories, such as breach of contract or an insurance code violation, there must be coverage under the insurance policy. If coverage is clear, you have a stronger case. If coverage is questionable, or if the insurance company could raise an affirmative defense, usually an exception in the insurance policy that would deny or limit your coverage, then your case is weaker. But we've made a name for ourselves taking on these tougher cases where coverage was initially denied by the insurance company, as well as the more straightforward. That brings us to the next factor we'll consider, your damages. Damages is the legal term for the harm your home or business has suffered as a result of the insurance company wrongfully adjusting your claim. In most cases, these are the amount of insurance benefits your insurance company should have paid for your claim. Sometimes the law allows for additional damages such as interest, mental anguish damages, and even damages meant to punish the insurance company if certain criteria is met. In some cases, our firm has been able to help home or business owners claim more damages than they originally believed they had by reviewing their insurance policy and finding additional coverages that were unknown to them at first, such as payments for additional living expense and insurance benefits for lost business income. A third factor we'll consider in evaluating your situation is the potential expense. We front all expenses to settle your dispute, from negotiations to trial if necessary. Sometimes expert witnesses must be hired and travel or other expenses must be incurred. Our clients do not have to pay anything out of pocket and only pay if we win. The majority of clients don't pay anything at all because we make the insurance company pay for our fees if they violated a law that requires them to pay attorney's fees. And because the law requires insurance companies to pay these fees when they've broken the law, I've represented clients with claims worth a couple $1,000s and clients with claims in the millions. Another factor we consider is the strength of your evidence, including your jury appeal. Do you have documents that support your case, like photos of damage or invoices and receipts showing out-of-pocket expenses? How strong are your witnesses? How strong of a witness will you be? To put it more bluntly, will a jury like you? Even if your case never gets to trial, your jury appeal is important because the insurance company will consider it in valuing your case for settlement. Finally, the last factor we consider in evaluating what type of legal action makes sense is you and your mindset. Resolving an insurance dispute can be time-consuming and physically, mentally, and emotionally draining, especially if we have to file a lawsuit, but we try to make the process as smooth as possible. We do this by making communication and contact with us as easy as possible, with tools implemented to enhance the client experience, like the Forrest Law Client Portal, where documents can easily be shared between the firm and client, or our messaging system, so that clients can easily message for updates or if there's a question about their case. This process is new to most, but we want to make it as stress-free as possible, but it does require effort from both the law firm and the client. If you are dealing with an insurance law dispute, you don't have to worry over it alone. Call us at 832-945-1900. We can assess your legal options in light of the case evaluation factors we've discussed here and help you determine your next best step.